Hi guys, this is Carrie again with Glitzy Glam, and I have another craft project for you. This is something that you can do just for you and for your Christmas tree, or something you can actually do with your kids that's really gorgeous. You can do it any theme that you want. Okay, I have done this one in more of a Victorian Christmas theme. A Victorian Christmas tree. They've got carolers singing Christmas carols, and then we've got the Christmas snow, if you can see that. Now, let me show you what you need. This is what makes it inexpensive. These are the little champagne glasses that you buy at Dollar Tree. You can buy them in a set of 6. You're just not going to use the base that helps the cup sit down that you drink out of. You're going to use it like this. Then you're going to need some cardstock or cardboard or anything that you can trace out a circle. Okay, you trace it out and you cut it out. Now you can see mine has a scalloped edge, and that's because I have a silhouette cameo, and I just cut out a bunch of scalloped edges to make it a little bit prettier, but it doesn't necessarily have to, because as you can see, we have some snow glued around the edges. All right, so that's the first thing we're gonna do. Is cut out this circle. So you have something for it, the base. Now, and as I said, you can do any kind of theme you want. I have done the Nutcracker theme, and on that Nutcracker theme, what we did was we glued a Christmas tree, and we bought the little ballerinas that go on cakes. Now, this little ballerina, I cut off the little base that helps it stand, because I used these on my miniature Christmas tree like this. But these are the cupcake toppers, and they do have a little base, and you would just glue that little base down, and a little Christmas tree in the background. Okay, now if you do not have any of that, and see how that's going to look, that is for the Nutcracker ballet. You can also use some cute little Christmas trees like these. Now you get these at Hobby Lobby also. I think these little Christmas trees, they have them at Hobby Lobby. I think I bought them at the dollar spot at Target as well. And they do have these little Christmas trees at Dollar Tree, but they're teeny, teeny, tiny. They're not big enough. These right here, you can find these as Christmas ornaments at Walmart, and you can find them, I believe, at Hobby Lobby in a package of 6. And you can use some paper ballerinas. That also works. Or again, they have the little people from Dollar Tree. You can put those in there. Right now they have some little boys even throwing snowballs. So this is a project that even your sons can make. You might just use a different type of ribbon. This is jute twine, so you could actually wrap the top in twine instead of a bow, and depending on your decor. Now another idea would just gluing, and these they have at Dollar Tree. They're little Christmas ornaments. You cut off the thing, glue that down, maybe glue in a Christmas tree and a ballerina. You can make up any little scenarios you want. You can even get some little cutouts if you want to use some little paper cutouts and put in some paper trees. And here's a little nutcracker scene that you can actually glue in. Okay, so then what you're gonna do is you glue those on here, keep this upside down, and sprinkle a little of the, I didn't bring the snow, but I bought the snow at Dollar Tree and it's real sparkly. You just put it in, glue this on top with your little scene glued onto it, and then when you turn it upside down, see how you're going to put the snow in, and this already had glue. You put the snow in, turn it upside down, and you have a little snow scene with your characters in there. Then you wrap a ribbon all the way around. Then you use that same ribbon to make a bow, stick it on top. These little snowflakes were also from Dollar Tree. You just hot glue that on. The ribbon holds the twine in place. See how the twine is there? Holds the twine in place, and then you just cover the front with a bow and a snowflake. And like I said, you could even wrap the twine and wrap the twine around. You could make this a country Christmas by putting reindeer in there. You can put any little miniature animals and characters in there that you want that match your tree. I just happen to like the Victorian village people. And I've done the nutcracker at my Christmas party events, and it really is a lot of fun. You can use, there's all types of trees that you can find. Ballerinas in different colors, different ornaments to put in the background, or just paper cutouts that you can use to make your own little scene. Here's a nutcracker. So those are some of the ideas, and I think it makes a beautiful Christmas ornament to hang on your trees. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you love my craft ideas. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and you'll be notified when I have more videos. Thank you for watching.